Hey friends, I've been asked a few questions about the thumb latch that I installed on the greenhouse. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you all the pieces, and then I'll take you out and show you how it operates. The thumb latch that we have was sold by the Wright company. Now they're a supplier of old home components, especially metal components, like thumb latches and hinges and things like that. So what they do is they help you restore old homes from the 1800s and 1900s. Now I went looking for a latch for probably 6 months. I was looking for a thumb latch because we had them on our doors in the house that I grew up in. They work great. Now, they don't lock with a lock that requires a key or a combination, but they do provide security in that the door stays closed. Now, I've been using a hook and latch system to keep these doors shut for a year. And it's a pain in the neck to go in and out the door that way. And the big problem is that if Irene's inside working and she has the door closed on the inside, she has to come all the way down to the door and unlatch it so I can come in to help. So we wanted to have a way of opening and closing the door without the need for one of us to go from where we were working to where the door is and unlock it. And this works great. Now the thumb latch comes in several parts. One is a handle, the door bar, a bar to hold the bolt in place, a strike plate. Our door is made with a 2x4 frame. A 2x4 is thicker than the typical door, which makes some of the parts a little interesting to fit. Thumb latch, and then the latch plate. This latch was made in India. It does come with some instructions. It's a half sheet of paper with 2 full sheets of information. So what I did was I went to the Wright website and I was able to get full-size instructions that cover a single sheet of paper each. I found this lock to be very interesting to put together. The bolt goes into the latch plate through this little opening in the casting. The screw then goes through the latch plate right here and through the bolt as well. Next, you put the retainer on and attach it with screws as well. So now you end up with a sandwich of the latch plate, the bolt, and the retainer. The kit comes with matching Phillips head screws that will go through all these parts and attach it to your door. Now the thumb bar goes through the handle, slides down, and sits on the handle. Now when you use the thumb latch, the thumb bar goes up and down just as it's supposed to. What that does in turn is it moves the bolt up and down, and that attaches to the strike plate. So let's go out to the greenhouse and look at this installation the way I put it together. It's not exactly beautiful because the latch plate doesn't fit exactly on a 2x4 piece of wood. So we'll go take a look. Well, now that we've been out to the greenhouse and seen how it works, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I know it's a simple little latch to put together, but it was extraordinarily hard to find. Thanks for watching. Look at the description for the information for the provider of this particular latch. If you liked what you saw, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you find out whenever we publish something new. Have a great day. Bye.